Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danae Simone. If you're new, which you probably are, come join the Rockstar Angel family. Like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment, and let me know what you like, what you didn't like, you know, etc., etc. But today I'm gonna be doing my daily skin routine with you guys. I just woke up. Yes, that's how I look when I wake up. You look great. So yes, I'm doing my daily skin routine with you guys. I'm showing you guys all the steps that I have to go through to get some beautiful glowing skin, you know, for the day. And you guys, I've been doing this routine for about the past 3 months, and not too many people know this. I don't think they know, but honey, some bad acne your girl had. Like, hopefully I can find a picture where I could show you guys, but I would have these crazy breakouts, and this right here is my biggest, like, this changed my life right here. This changed the game on, like, my skin. Like, I feel like without this I would feel so yucky, because since I've been doing it, I've seen a drastic change in my face. I feel so much more confident. So without further ado, I'm gonna first wipe my face with witch hazel. I'm gonna steam my face. I'm gonna wipe my I scrub my face with apricot scrub. I have a 4-step Tatcha that I've always been talking about. It's a Japanese product that I'm gonna be reviewing today, so stay tuned for how, like, you know, to watch me get this going face. So let's get right into this video, okay, y'all? I'm gonna start with the steaming. So right before I steam, I wipe my face with the witch hazel and I steam for about 20 minutes. After I wipe my face with the witch hazel, I'm ready to steam. It's important to have a towel over your head. I currently have a hoodie on, so that's gonna substitute for me at the moment. But the steam gets really hot, so be careful. Keep your face leveled away from the steam so that you don't burn your face. It's hot. In this next clip, I'm just going to be scrubbing my lips with this Shea Sugar Scrub by Tree Hut. This is really good for softening and lightening your lips. So as you can see here, you're going to just see me patting and wiping as I go. I kind of just like to let the scrub sit on my face as I steam, to let it dissolve into my lips, if that makes sense. So these are the tools that came with the steamer. I use it to get the whiteheads and the nooks and crooks out my face. Once again, guys, I used to go get facials every month, $65. The steamer was $40, and I think I'm doing, you know, almost the same job as they would do in the spa. So yeah, it definitely changed the game. I really love this, and I really feel like it works. through the process. I'm done with the steaming part. I got the whiteheads and popped them pimples. Now it's time to scrub my face with some apricot scrub. Wiped off the apricot scrub, washed it off my face. I pat my face dry. I don't wipe it. I don't drag it along my face. It's important to just tap it. Just from that step alone, I already feel sensational. Sometimes when I'm running out of time, I just do that step and I don't do the next following steps. Now you guys, these babies right here, this is like a little starter pack, whatever you call it, the mini try, I can't think of it, what is it called? But you know, you bought a little sample. This is like the little sample kit. I think it was about $60-$70. It is type pricey, but listen, honey, this changed my entire glow. Ever since I've been using this 3 months ago, it really changed the game, like, for me. So the good part about it is that even though it's expensive, it lasts long and it's really good stuff. Like, it lasts long. It's a small, like, you only use a small amount, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So first, I'm gonna dispense. It says the directions: dispense into dry hands, massage onto dry face for 10 seconds, and then rinse. So dry face, I'm gonna dispense a little bit. Just a little bit goes a long way. That's how it lasted me so long. 10 seconds. Okay, now the next step is the rice polish. So with this, we need a wet face, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my face a little bit. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of rice polish. I put a lot. Okay, so this is how much I got. We're gonna go ahead for 15 seconds. Even though I say 15 seconds, I like to get in there a little bit more. Okay, you guys, so now that we finished the part where we got to use all the wet stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry my face. This is very important. Pat dry your face, you guys. Do not, you know, your skin is very delicate, so we're gonna pat dry. Whew. every time. Like, I don't know, like my back, like I feel so, like for some, like the energy from my face, like I just feel refreshed. Like it's like a burden lifted once your face is clean. Like I felt like something was lifted off of my back. I'm like, whew. Alright, you guys, you see that glow already? Like, yes. So then I'm gonna take my skin softener. My face looks so lightened and everything. Like a little bit of skin softener. This you just put into like that. Make sure we get in there. Make sure it's in the face. By the way, I purchased this at Sephora. So that's about it. Last, we're gonna use this moisturizer. You guys probably seen this in my old videos, my other videos. This has gotten me a long way, you guys. A little bit goes a long way. And this is also good. I'm definitely gonna be purchasing this again because this is good for this is good for, you guys, primer. Couldn't think about it. This is also good for primer, and I usually put this on last when I do my makeup. After, like right before I do my makeup. So yes, this stuff is great moisturizer. And there you have it, you guys. That is my skincare routine. Thank you for tuning in with me. If you like this video, make sure you like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated. Feel free to comment any other videos that you would like from me. If you didn't like this skincare video and you don't want to see this video, comment under this video and say don't ever do no video like that ever again. If you like this video and you would love to see more, you know what to do. Thank you so much for subscribing with me. For watching with me. Bye. See you on the next one.